Hey everyone and welcome to the complete guide of pointer in C. I'm your host, your instructor, your coach and your guide BK Mandal, and I'm super glad to welcome you in Electro for You Foundation. Now coming to the pointer. It's a 5-module series that take you all the way from beginner to high level of understanding about the pointer. We focus every module on real life of example that gives you a better understanding about the pointer, and I have invested my time to make 5 modules for you. Module first is about what is a pointer. Module second is about how we can declare a pointer. Module third is about pointer to pointer or extended concept of pointer, and module 4 is one of my favorite. Module 4 is about pointer arithmetic and module 5 is about application of pointer. I believe that through this 5 module you will get better understanding about the pointer in absolute minute. Before I start the modules, please punch on the subscribe button as well as bell icon button to feeling connection between me and you. So best of luck and enjoy the course to the complete guide of pointer in C.